You can join a Blackboard Collaborate online class meeting from inside your Blackboard course. Your instructor may have set up a menu item that makes it easy to find. If not, just go to the Tools menu and you can find Blackboard Collaborate and join the session that way. It will look a little different depending on your browser and your operating system. I'm using Mozilla Firefox on a PC and it opens using Java, so I just need to simply click OK and it opens Java and starts opening Collaborate. However, it may download a file. You may have to pay attention, find that downloaded file. It may appear up here or down in the corner, and you may have to double click on that file to start the session. Blackboard Collaborate is simply an updated version of eLive, so if you're already familiar with eLive, you will find it very easy to use. The first step is going to be Audio Setup Wizard, which you can find on the Tools menu, or you can use this button with the red sparkle on it. When you go through Audio Setup Wizard, make sure you choose the highest quality speakers and microphone. In order to communicate with voice and Collaborate, you can use the talk button. Click the talk button once and speak, and then click the talk button a second time to turn off your microphone. You can use these sliders to adjust the volume of your microphone and your speakers. You can also share video if you have a webcam. It works the same way. Just click it once to turn on your webcam so other people can see it, and click it again to turn it off. Your instructor may have these set that only one person can talk and use video at a time. If that's the case, you can get someone's attention by raising your hand or asking permission in chat to use the microphone. In addition to using voice, you can communicate in a number of other ways in Blackboard Collaborate. You can use the chat window, and you can also write on the whiteboard. In addition, you can use some of the buttons on the participant window. For example, an emoticon, which turn off by themselves. You can indicate that you've been interrupted or had to step away with the second button. Click it again when you're back. You can raise your hand with the third button, and again, to turn it off, click it again. The last button allows you to quickly answer a yes or no question or participate in a poll. Your instructor may change that to have some different options on it. And as I mentioned, you can also participate with questions or comments using chat. If you find that there's not enough room to participate fully in a conversation using chat, just simply drag the window out and make it longer so that you can really see the full conversation in the chat window. You can always go to the View menu and restore the default layout. Your instructor will probably upload some slides like I have using the whiteboard. You can still use these whiteboard tools to write on top of or mark up, point out things with the pointer, for example, or indicate something you're referring to using the pen tool, for example. Your instructor may also use application sharing or web tour, or they may ask you to share your application or desktop or to share a website. The whiteboard is a really useful tool for interacting, and your instructor may have you do a variety of different activities using these whiteboard tools. Probably the most commonly used tool is the text tool. When you put your mouse on it, you'll see there's two different choices. The tool with the A and the lines on it allows you to draw an entire text box when you're going to be typing in a lot of text. If you're just typing in a few words, then use the text label tool, and then click on the screen and type. You'll see that you can adjust the formatting. There aren't a whole lot of choices, but there are a few. The most important tool is the top tool, and this is the selection tool. So it allows you to select something so that you can go back later and change it. It also allows you to move items around that you have added to the screen. And if you use your delete or backspace key, you can also remove things from the screen. Your instructor may also create breakout rooms in order to do some small group work. The last thing I want to show you is some troubleshooting tips in case you have any trouble getting into a Collaborate session. You can try a different browser or try to connect directly to the internet rather than using Wi-Fi. You also may try updating or clearing your Java. You can always call the call center at UAA for help at 786-4646.